Where are all the great leaders? The ones who steer the ship, who rally the crowd, who build the team, who ignite that spark of greatness. The harsh reality is, we're facing a crisis. It's not that we can't find great leaders, it's that we've stopped looking for them. Developing leadership is seen as a nice to have, a cherry on top, a vitamin. Great leadership doesn't come from social clout, and we can't simply AI our way to greatness. It's not a vitamin, it's a painkiller. Because leadership determines the vision, the community, the culture, the discovery, the impact. So, if we want to find the next generation of grounded, courageous human leaders, we need to shift our mindset. You see, the greatest leaders emerge when you inspire, empower, trust in people. Because from classroom to boardroom, there's a great leader in everyone. And if you need help finding a key, well, we've got one. So we ask again,